My name is Husnul Fadila from Akbar Fatima Parepare. Here I will explain the lexical explanation of auscultation. So, before that, we must know what auscultation. Auscultation is an explanation method to listen to sound from inside the body by placing a stethoscope in a certain area. The hair examination is carried out on the left side, while the examination occultation. Please forgive me and more. Thank you.